Welcome to Buena Vista, Colorado. The mountains are calling, and we are answering. This is the Bronco Super Celebration West. Getting Scrappy, my 2023 Badlands, into the rodeo grounds is the first order of business. It's day one. We're lining up early to grab our pass. The anticipation here is huge. It's just past 8 a.m. Elevation sitting near 8,000 feet. The perfect morning to get started. Before the place gets packed, let's take a look around. Even with just the early arrivals, you can already see some incredible builds rolling in. If you love Broncos and Overland adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We didn't waste any time hitting the trails. First up, the historic Tincup Pass. This trail offers shelf roads and incredible history, leading us right up to the Continental Divide. We stopped at Mirror Lake. Water levels were a bit low today, so we stayed dry, but the views with the forest flanking us and the mountains in the distance were spectacular. Heading back, we crossed over Cottonwood Pass. This looks less like a trail drive and more like a painting. Absolutely unreal scenery. Then, things got technical. This is Yansing Gulch, rated difficult for a reason. It demands high clearance, lockers, and total focus to get over these boulders. Next, we headed for Mount Antero, a 14,000-foot peak. It started rough and wet, with rain slicking down the windshield. The further in we drove, the wetter it got, crossing streams just to reach the base of the climb. As we climbed the narrow shelf roads, the rain turned. Suddenly, we were in a full-blown blizzard. Visibility dropped to near zero. We had to make the call. Turn around or risk getting stuck at 13,000 feet. Safety first, we headed back down. This was the perfect time to use Trail Turn Assist to navigate these tight switchbacks on the descent. On day 3, we switched gears for the St. Elmo tour. Watching the convoy stage up, head out is always a highlight. We rolled out as a massive group, hitting the dirt roads towards one of Colorado's best preserved ghost towns. Arriving in St. Elmo is like stepping back in time. It's a must-do if you're in the area. Back at the rodeo grounds, the social scene was fully alive. The field was packed. the Bronco Nation tent set up, and live music from the band 4 Mile, keeping the energy high. Saturday brought us to the finale, the Battle of the Broncos. The judges were out inspecting some of the finest rigs in the country, from classic restorations to modern monsters. The attention to detail in these trucks is just next level. We wrapped up the event with a massive product raffle. I have to give a huge shout out and thank you to the organizers, Bronco Driver Magazine, for putting on such a seamless event. Also, a major thank you to the primary sponsor, Tom's Off-Road, and to Bronco Nation. It's their support that brings this community together and makes the Super Celebration possible. And finally, thank you to the vendors who donated parts and gear. Seeing the community come together like this is what it's all about. We can't wait to be back in Buena Vista next year. Find your trail, drive your nature.